Okay guys, here's my 2005 Dodge Power Wagon. The sway bar is installed. It's back and running. I had to do something slightly different with the I took the board out, put a bracket on it, built a bracket so that it would hold it back together, taped everything off so that the connector was no longer being used. And then yeah, ran my wires around. You can see them running up in there. Ran them through the firewall. I also tied in with a fuse box with one of them with the power, because you need to bring 12 in like I explained in the previous video. But here it is, everything finished up. Right now I've got my dash torn apart because I'm messing with the rocker switch that's in there to see if I can make the sway bar work, the sway bar switch, the stock switch work like we want to. So here is everything up in there, tucked up in there nice and pretty. And when you're sitting here, you don't even know. You can see my programmer cord sticking out, but that's about it from sitting in here. You can't see much, so it's as easy as that. Now you will hear everything when I turn the key on. Everything fires up, and when I have this switch, I got the same switch we had before. You will hear it click up under here, and the sway bar, you'll hear it disconnect possibly. Click, and there it is. And it works just as simple as that. You click it, and my sway bar is disconnected. And now when it lines up, it'll re-engage. So it works pretty slick. I like it. I don't know, my buddy that was on the last video said that he could make a bunch of these. If anybody's interested, he could make them. All you'd have to do, he'd put a little box that you could mount up right up in this hole right here somewhere. Find a place to mount a box, and then you won't have to have wires hanging everywhere like I do. You'll just have to run 2 wires down to there. You'll of course have to hardwire your lockers, because they will no longer work once you take this fancy board out. But once you take that out, you'll have to build a little plate for it for the back side where you take that out. Run your lines over, and he'll have the box mounted right there that'll do everything, and then run your power. Run to the power, one to the fuse box, one to the ground, and then run the wires into the cab for your switch, and it'd be pretty easy.